You know how important it is to eat vegetables, right? But did you know that you can actually drink your vegetables? Let me show you how. Hi everybody, I'm Carrie and this is Clean Eating Kitchen, where I share easy, gluten-free and dairy-free recipes for women who are looking to recover their health and live vibrantly. And as I mentioned, a smoothie is a great way to add more vegetables to your diet, and more specifically, those dark green leafy vegetables that are so important to our health. And so today's recipe is for a strawberry green smoothie. It's sweet and it does have a serving of vegetables and it has healthy fats, a rich creamy flavor that I think you're really gonna love. And kids will drink this smoothie too. So let me show you exactly how to make it. So the first step is to gather up all your smoothie ingredients, which includes your choice of leafy greens. I'm using baby lettuce, you could use spinach or kale, and then your frozen strawberries and half a frozen banana, a couple of dates, some hemp seeds, and peanut butter. And then we're just going to add the ingredients to the base of our high-speed blender. I like to add the frozen fruit first and then add the liquid, which in this case I used 2 cups of filtered water. And then the next ingredient is to add the hemp seeds. And I really love using hemp seeds in this recipe. They're a great source of plant-based protein and omega-3 fatty acids. And then I added 2 pitted medjool dates, and they add some really nice sweetness to the smoothie and kind of helps keep you from tasting the greens. And then I used peanut butter, and you can feel free to use almond butter. And then I did use collagen protein in this smoothie. I like to have a source of protein with my breakfast. If you want to make this a vegan smoothie, you can use your favorite unsweetened vegan protein powder because collagen protein is not vegan, but it is a nice source of protein that I like to use. It's more of a paleo diet ingredient. And then we just add our greens on top. And again, you can use any kind of tender baby green that you liked. I just used some spring greens, kale or baby spinach would be great in this as well. And I used about 2 big handfuls. And then you just pop on your lid. If you're using a high-speed blender, it really only takes about maybe 30 to 45 seconds to transform this smoothie into a really rich and creamy, delicious smoothie drink. I think that you're really gonna like this recipe. It is my favorite smoothie recipe of the moment. I make this almost every morning for breakfast, and I make exactly this amount, one for myself and one for my husband, and we kind of call it like our secret health weapon, because we're just getting all those healthy greens that are just so great to support immune health and just overall health. And so you can drink your greens and it tastes really delicious. That smoothie was so delicious. I hope that you make it, and if you do, please let me know if you liked it and if you would like to see more smoothie recipes. I have a playlist that I will link to, and they're all my favorite green smoothie recipes, and I'll link that up right up here. And be sure to let me know what you think of this smoothie and if you would like to see more recipes like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!